In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customized ticket view in Freshdesk, offering you a tailored and user-friendly arrangement for managing your tickets. This process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you get the most out of your Freshdesk experience. Let's dive into the first part, which is applying filters to shape your view. Begin by navigating to the Tickets tab on your Freshdesk dashboard. Here, you'll be able to access all of your tickets. Now, you might notice the Filters panel on the side. If it's not visible immediately, don't worry. There's a simple Show Hide Filters toggle button that you can use to bring it up. Once you've got the Filters panel open, it's time to set it up according to your specific needs. Freshdesk offers a variety of filtering options, allowing you to sort your tickets by status, priority, assigned agent, custom fields, and even by date. Depending on your workflow, you might want to see only high-priority tickets, or perhaps those assigned to a particular agent. Tailor these settings to fit how you like to manage your tasks, as this customization is at the core of streamlining your productivity. Once you're satisfied with your filter configuration, it's time to save this set of filters as a new view. To do this, look around for the Save icon, which might resemble a tick mark located near your filters. Alternatively, you may find it under the Ticket Views button. Clicking on it should bring up a pop-up window. This is where you'll cement your custom view. In the pop-up, select Save View As. This option allows you to create a brand new, personalized ticket view. But it's not just about saving it. You need a name that makes it easy to recognize later. Choose something meaningful and descriptive so you can quickly identify the view in the future. Maybe something like High Priority Tasks or Open Tickets for Team A. It's up to you. You also have the option to set the visibility of this view. Do you want to keep it just for yourself as a personal view, or do you want to share this configuration with all agents, turning it into a shared view? If this view holds valuable insights or is particularly efficient, you might want to consider sharing it so others on your team can benefit from its design too. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've created a custom ticket view in Freshdesk, tailored to your specific requirements. Now you can manage your tickets more effectively, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing.